Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Google Search, the YouTube app, the Gmail app, Google Hangouts app, Google Drive app, and Google Maps app, as well as the Google Play Music app on your Windows computer. Now, you don't really necessarily need an app to do this, but if you have a Gmail account, well, then you can just pair that with the Windows email client, and that allows you to use all of those things together in one app on Windows 10. So what you're going to want to do is go to your Windows Store and download this app called G-Apps. And then once it's done downloading, you just want to open it. And then here's the Google search engine. Click here for YouTube, sign into your YouTube account. Click here for your Hangouts, Gmail, Google Drive, and then you can just sign in and then use all of the Google services from within this app. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.